You want to start YouTube, but you don't want to show your face, you don't have a camera, and editing feels complicated. Good, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to create long faceless videos in Canva that can actually get millions of views.
Skyscrapers stretch towards the sky, casting long shadows over the streets below. From the early morning rush to the late night commute, the city never stops moving. Public transport becomes the lifeblood, connecting people from every corner to the heart of the city, to human ambition and progress. Markets buzz with energy as people shop. The energy continues, undimmed. In the midst of it all, people find moments of peace. If you have not idea about what to do for video, and if you're unsure about creating a documentary-style video, you can use ChatGPT to get some ideas. Simply ask for documentary topics that can be made using royalty-free video clips. And ChatGPT will suggest a few suitable ideas for a simple documentary. Take a look at the ideas it provides and pick one that resonates with you. For instance, I chose urban life as my topic. After that, you can ask ChatGPT to create a script for your video with voiceover text. It will generate something like this. Take a look. Next, head over to Canva. This is the latest interface on Canva. Click on Video and choose the 1920 x 1080 dimension for your project. This will open a blank editing page. From the Elements section, you can search for videos, images, audio, and other elements you might need to complete your project. Now, let's move on to the script that ChatGPT provided. In each scene, it is mentioned the type of video clips we need. So copy that description of each scene, then search for matching videos in the Elements section on Canva. Once you find a suitable video for the scene, click on it and it will automatically be added to your canvas. Right-click on the video and select Set as Background. To adjust the playback speed of the video, click on the video and choose the playback option. You can increase the speed up to 2x. From the scissor icon, you can also trim the video. For now, I'll trim it to 5 seconds. Let's play it to see how it looks. Next, click on the plus icon to add another page. Search for more videos to match the following scenes and add them, just like we did before. For the busy street scene, I picked this video. Set the video as the background and increase the playback speed. And I'll also add this one as well. Do the same for this video as well. In the same way, find suitable videos for each scene by searching the keywords in Canva that are mentioned in the script. Once you've found the clips, make the necessary edits, such as adjusting the playback speed and trimming. Now that I've added all the video clips, it's time to generate the voiceover for the video. For this, I'm going to use 11 Labs. Canva also offers a few voiceover options, but I prefer 11 Labs because it provides more realistic voices with natural accents. Plus, you get 10,000 tokens free every month. If you don't have an account, click Get Started Free to sign up. To convert text into speech, just enter your text here and click Generate. I'll copy the voiceover text from ChatGPT and paste them in. You can preview the selected voice from here. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. And you can also browse other available voices. Let's test a few narrator-style voices. The thing always happens that you rip. Lovell, trust if you do wrong to none. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically.
Personally, I prefer using the voice called Liam. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click Generate Speech.
As the sun rises, the city awakens from its slumber. Skyscrapers stretch towards the sky, casting long shadows over the streets below.
You can download the audio by clicking this down arrow. Repeat the process for each voiceover text, generating and downloading the audio files one by one. Now, go back to Canva and upload the downloaded voiceovers by clicking here. Next, we're going to add the voiceovers to the video. Choose the relevant audio for each scene. Place the cursor where you want to add the audio, then click on the audio file like this. As I add the voiceovers, I'll make the necessary edits to the clips by trimming them and adjusting the playback speed accordingly. All right, I've added all the audio for the voiceovers and made the necessary edits to the video clips. Now I'm going to add transitions between each page. Hover between the pages and click here to add a transition. I'll choose Dissolve because it works well for this type of video. Continue adding the same transition between all the pages. When you add a transition, you may need to make slight adjustments to the voiceover and video timing in the timeline to keep everything in sync. Once everything looks good, go to Share, select Download, and click Download. The video will then be saved to your PC. Now, let's create a text overlay. Click here to create a new design and make sure to select the same video dimensions. While we're designing the text overlay, I'll upload the downloaded video to Canva. By the time we finish designing the text overlay, the video will be fully uploaded and ready to use. All right, now let's start designing the text overlay. Add a rectangle shape from the Elements section and scale it like this. Align it to the center. Next, go to Text and add a heading with the title Urban Life. Scale it and center it as well. Reduce the space between the lines using this option here. Now, I'll change the font. I prefer Archivo Black for this. Finally, change the text color to white and the rectangle color to black like this. Now, go to Share, select Download, and change the file type to PNG and download it. Once it's downloaded, upload it back to Canva. After that, delete the current page. I've already uploaded the video we made earlier, so click on it to add it to the canvas. Then, right-click on it and select Set as Background. Next, we'll add the text overlay. Add a new page and drag it to the beginning of the video like this. Now, I'll search for a suitable video related to urban life. I picked this one and set it as the background. I'll adjust the playback speed and trim it to 4 seconds. Now, go to Uploads and add the text design into the video like this. Select it and use the Background Remover tool to remove the white background. All right. Now you see how that works. Scale the text to cover the entire page like this.
Next, click on it and adjust the transparency from here. Now duplicate the design from here and drag the duplicated copy to the other page like this. I'll keep it on the first 8 or 9 seconds of the video. Next, duplicate the design again in here and place the duplicate on top of the original, like this. It will appear in the timeline like this. Now click on each copy and crop them to show only one word at a time. For example, we're splitting urban and life into 2 separate copies. Next, click on each text and set the rise animation. For the life text, set the rise animation to move downward. From here, make sure the animation is set to exit. And for urban, set it to move upward like this. Now reduce the speed of both animations. Let's play it.
As the sun rises, the city awakens from its slumber. Skyscrapers stretch towards the sky, casting long shadows over the streets below.
Looks awesome, doesn't it? Between these 2 pages, I've added a match and move transition. Take a look. Everything looks great.
As the sun rises, the city awakens from its slumber. Skyscrapers stretch towards the sky, casting long shadows over the streets below.
Now let's move on to sound engineering. To find copyright-free music, head to YouTube Studio. Canva also has music options, but some of them might get flagged by Content ID. So it's better to use audio from the YouTube audio library. I was looking for a sound effect for a sunrise in the sound effects section, but I couldn't find one. Instead, I searched for music related to sunrise in the music section and picked this one. Download it from here, then upload it to Canva. I've added it to the beginning of our video where the sunrise part is. I only need the first few seconds of the audio, so I'll right-click on it, split the audio, and delete the unwanted part.
As the sun rises, the city awakens from its slumber. Skyscrapers stretch towards the sky, casting long shadows over the streets below.
Then I'll reduce the volume of the audio from here and add a 1.5-second fade out like this.
As the sun rises, the city awakens from its slumber. Skyscrapers stretch towards the sky, casting long shadows over the streets below.
I've also added some music for the intro and outro.
As the sun rises, the city awakens from its slumber. Skyscrapers stretch towards the sky, casting long shadows over the streets.
Continues, undimmed. In the midst of it all, people find moments of peace. A park bench, a cafe, a rooftop view. Even in the busiest cities, there's space for reflection and connection. The city is a living organism, always changing, always growing. It is a place of endless opportunities and challenges where millions come together, striving for more. This is urban life, in all its complexity and beauty. Everything looks great. Now go to share and download the video. As the sun rises, the city awakens from its slumber. Skyscrapers stretch towards the sky, casting long shadows over the streets below. Millions of people fill the sidewalks, each with a story, a destination, and a purpose. The rhythm of footsteps, the hum of traffic, and the clatter of trains, this is the sound of urban life. From the early morning rush to the late-night commute, the city never stops moving. Public transport becomes the lifeblood, connecting people from every corner to the heart of the city. Every day, new structures rise as the city grows and transforms. Brick by brick, beam by beam, it is a testament to human ambition and progress. Markets buzz with energy as people shop, vendors call out, and the aroma of street food fills the air. In the city, cultures blend and flavors collide, creating a melting pot of experiences. Inside tall office buildings, ideas are exchanged, decisions made, and futures shaped. The city thrives on innovation, collaboration, and the endless pursuit of success. But beyond the business of life, there's art, music, and creativity. Street performers breathe life into the urban landscape, adding color to the concrete and steel. As the day turns to night, the city transforms once more. Neon lights flicker, and the skyline glows like a constellation. In the darkness, the energy continues, undimmed. In the midst of it all, people find moments of peace. A park bench, a cafe, a rooftop view. Even in the busiest cities, there's space for reflection and connection. The city is a living organism, always changing, always growing. It is a place of endless opportunities and challenges where millions come together, striving for more. This is urban life, in all its complexity and beauty. Like the video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned with me.